everybody. We covered a lot of products in our winterizing video, so I'm just going to recap a couple of them. And we do have our winter kits here, awesome kits for bromine and chlorine pools. You've got your algicide, shock, your chlorine, and a mineral preventative in that. And then moving on, we've got our little Wayne and our big Wayne pumps here for removing the water from the cover. The winter pill, an additional product to go along with your chemical kits, okay? That doesn't take the place of everything. For above ground pools, we've got cable, and this one's great for above ground pools. It's a hand siphon pump, and it helps get the water off of the cover. And we've got our awesome winter kits for chlorine or bromine pools, and we also have an additional awesome product, the winter pill. And that helps treat the pool during the winter. It's a slow release, time release. Helps prevent ring around the pool. And then other parts you may need, you've got your plug or expansion plugs, okay? And then you've got a handy tool to get this guy out of the pool wall and to get this guy out of the pool for springtime. So dual purpose tool. And can't forget the gizmo for in-ground pools only, you guys, not above ground pools. The gizmo for in-ground pools takes the brunt of the ice if it freezes in your skimmer and cracks him, not your skimmer body. And for my guys and gals who have safety covers, these patches are awesome. If you have a rip or a tear in your cover, you can simply mend it with that if it's a small size hole or tear, okay? That about wraps it up. There are so many more products, you guys, out there that can help along the winterizing process, so just consult your trusted pool person. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and check out our website or give us a call if you need anything.